What's up, everyone? It's your least favorite moto vlogger, not Brian636. Doing a 636 intro, kind of hinting at something, am I? Got the foot brake in, so that's our first brake. Front brake is our second brake. Rear brake is our third brake. But you're like, oh no, the title has 4 brakes in it, but I only see 3. If we go into our settings here, you see B1. Oh. Alright, here we go, B1. That's our braking region. We got 4 brakes on this Ultra B. And let me tell you, it's nice. It's real nice. I don't even know why I'm here. I gotta go. Let's go. I did just install some brand new front brake pads, so I think we gotta test them out. They seem dialed, really dialed. And yes, I did bed them in. I know how to bed in brakes. I wouldn't be doing this with freshy brakes. I think that might be a cop there. It's just a girl with a white Ford Explorer for some reason. I don't know why people buy them. We're using 4 brakes. Let's test out our first brake, which is braking regen. So as soon as I let off the throttle, we start slowing down quite a significant amount. That's very nice to do. We're going to turn left to actually get out of this guy's way. All right, look at this. Tell me this is not cool. Tell me this is not cool. Tell me that's not cool. That's the foot brake work right there. It's super dialed. I mean, the bike just looks pristine. I don't like this silver master right here. Wish that was black. I know I could buy a new one, but I'm not trying to bleed brakes, as you know. Bleeding brakes is an absolute pain. Got our graduation keychain right here. Guys, let me know if I should start drop shipping these. Chilling at a nice 69%, so I think we're gonna use a little bit of regen right here. And then look, let me just finish braking with no brakes. It's a little wobbly, but we're chilling. Who's calling me? Scam likely? Get out of here. Let me just answer. They're gonna get a bunch of wind. They're just gonna hear wind noise. Oh, they hung up? Bro, come on. You can't call someone and then just hang up. Why would you do that? Why are you even calling me in the first place? If you guys don't know, it stinks like absolute trash. But this, like, hill is not even a hill. Now, you're probably thinking, the hell does that mean? This hill isn't even a hill. So this hill is just a bunch of trash that's under this grass. And they just stockpiled all the trash right there. So this is not even, like, a real hill. It's just trash underneath. It stinks like garbage. It's stinky. Oh, there's a car right there, bro. I can stop on a dime. I might go test that pretty soon. Actually, right here is perfect. Let me test it right here. All right, we're stopping on a dime. All right, instantly locked up the rear. It's hard not to lock up the rear, but I mean, hey, it's because I'm using twice the power on the rear. That's a flock camera right there. The flock camera just got me on camera. Now whenever they see my bike, they're going to send me a ticket in the mail. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another... I don't care. You want to go up to the dirt? I'm down. Or you want to chill in the pavement for a little bit? Yeah, let me chill on the pavement and then we'll go. I bet. I'm going to practice my stoppies. So that's a chain drive. This is a belt drive. So that one's relatively loud. But it's way better for dirt. Look at my tan line for the gloves. Oh, no. Look at how slow E-Moto is. This is full throttle, by the way. The balance point on the Mega Wheels is really good, though. It's a really nice balance point. You just balance right here. Oh, there's a Surron right there. Hey. What's up, bro? What is that? It's a light B? Nice. Feel it. Yeah, feel mine. Oh, hell no. I'll see you around. Let's go. Let's race! Yeah, on the third honk. Okay. Alright, ready? Third honk. 1, 2, 3, go. Yeah, he's gone. I kind of went easy at the start there. Okay. Alright, I see you. It's actually so rocky.
Yeah, on this it's
Alright, once you get up there, we could probably swap bikes. Alright, you ready to go up?
I'm not.
We'll do the tiny ones. Alright, have you done a hill climb before? So you're gonna lean forward a little bit. I don't know if Eco has enough power. If you feel yourself starting to fall back, don't like slam the rear brake, slightly pull it in. Yeah, you're chilling. There's like some pump tracks right there. Oh hell no! This is such a beautiful spot, and the breeze is good. Get an Instagram. Oh, yeah, we'll swap. We can swap again once we get to the pump track. Ride it a little bit. Just getting roosted by the dirt. Can't see. Gets in my eyes. So that's the Mega Wheels. It actually does not too bad on dirt. Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no. I'm not trying to hit this. Hey, hit this jump. All right, you wanna record? I'm gonna do a few test runs. Oh! I almost just looped it right there. See you running this way. I got that. I actually got that. Oh, I could go a little faster. It's alright, like. That was so buns. That was so buns. Ain't no way. Oh, that was a little bit better. We can go back to the street. What's the battery at? Full bar. What's this at? 88. See, that's the Mega Wheels is good to just bip like that. It's really good for that. I'll show you. Oh, I'll show you some jumps that I found too. Like it's like a small grass jump. You could do it. Yeah, that's a Tudio. Oh yeah, bro. Tudios are 48 volts. Oh! I almost just looped. My foot got caught on my spring, surprisingly. It's not bad. I think this is how you get the run in. Or I don't know if you hit it from this way. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's a nice one. Let me try it on that one. That's so buns. Oh, there we go. Yo, it's a wiener.
He's got an air tag.
Whose dog is it? It's probably that house with the garage open. Hey, you got gloves. You're touching him. Yeah, bro, he's chilling, bro. He's just...
Yeah, that's all. His life's just shit to the big one.
That's probably theirs. There's an e-bike. There's a b. I like your bike. Freaking quad seater, bro. What the hell is going on here? Yeah, I can. Right now? Come on, let's go. Let's go. Come on. Uh-huh.
I could not stop.
Bro, they didn't follow. Bro, I was going to show them my wheelie. Oh! Oh, hell nah. There's no space. Bro, did you see that, cop? I was low-key expecting that. I was like, bro, even I had trouble getting up this. I was like, no way. Yeah, literally no damage. Foot brake still works, so I'll take this one up and then we can swap up there. Now you're doing pretty good for your first time though. All right.
Go.
All right, let's see eco mode versus highest mode on this. All right, you ready? 3, 2, wait, honk your horn. All right. I got him off the line, eco mode Ultra B. He's gonna start pulling though in a minute. No way, I actually gapped him, no way. There's no way that's true, bro. It's just not true. Because I know it's not full. Oh, it's... Wait. I don't know. You can't read the... I don't even know. Guess you can't read the battery. I'll hop on the Ultra. Oh, the Ultra's so dirty. Alright, we gotta load this, though. Let me take our helmets off.